Yeah, hi.
Hello, hi. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you.
Fine, that's nice. And I think we are meeting for the third time, if I'm not wrong,
Yes, yes, right.
right now. Yeah, and I think today you're not at your school.
No, no, no.
Yeah, because your background has been changed. So that's the right now. Yeah, I got it. And
Yeah,
how has your day been?
yeah, my day has been fine so far,
Mm,
and yeah,
that's that
yeah,
that's nice. Yeah. And do you know the topic for the day?
yes, yes. I know that. Let's talk about smartphone. Huh?
Yeah, the topic for the day is smartphone. So, would you like to talk about this topic or you have something else in your mind?
Yeah, we can talk about topic also, and I was thinking uh, about one topic like pandemic means how could we describe pandemic? So if you are comfortable, then we can also.
Okay, so what do you want to talk about? The pandemic or about the topic?
Yeah. So pandemic, I want to just talk something about pandemic, and after that, yeah, we will continue.
So that means like you're trying to say that for 5 minutes or for 10 minutes, we're going to talk about
Yeah.
pandemic and then
Yes.
afterwards, we're going to switch our topic from pandemic to smartphones. That is what you're
Yes.
trying to convey,
Yeah.
Sneha?
Yeah. Because I think it's one we can cover within 15 minutes.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, so let's talk about pandemic only. There is nothing like that we should not. Okay, so what would you like to talk about? You know,
Yes. Because we are suffering from this pandemic era right now.
yes.
So what it means, how you are thinking about this pandemic means what is your pros and cons?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Any more questions or only this? Because
This
this
question
what
first, I would like
okay,
to.
the first question. Okay, fine. So I think there are many pros and cons, of this pandemic. The first one is this online era. Now everything is online, right?
Yes, right.
So the people who used to procrastinate a lot, for them, this is a very good opportunity. You know, they
Yes,
can do whatever they want to from their home only. They don't have to go out, and all that thing. So I think this is a very beneficial for them. And second thing, con which I would like to say is that take the example of schools and colleges. So now we are not that much fortunate to meet our friends. Like we are not able to meet our, friends and all teachers and also maybe that is a negative thing about this pandemic. Yeah. What do
right.
you think about this? What is your perspective? I would like to know that.
My perspective is also because I think every problem comes turn into a opportunity if you take in a different way. So like
Mhm.
this pandemic, not us many more things because earlier I was also not indulged in this work, means in this line like speaking course and all. So I was indulged only in my own work, and so I didn't think about this. So I also saw that if I can change myself, then every person they have some opportunity they could be do, but
Yes.
this is up to us how could we handle the situation. And I think yeah, that's all.
So, what do you say? Like you're liking it or you're fine with that offline thing only?
How could we say that I liking it? Because pandemic, yeah, we are not gonna say that I liking it. It's a just a situation where we are stuck, and so we have to handle, we have to. I'm just saying that we should keep ourselves happy in every situation. I know many more things that happened in this
Mm-hmm.
pandemic period,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
not only with one person, every person suffered with some problem. So that's a way, but we should just keep be positive and
Yes.
think always be happy, or make environment be happy. So I think it maybe change yourself something, because
Mm-hmm.
whatever you are thinking, something you will be like this.
True. And you know what, on this note, I would like to highlight one more thing that people who are in private sectors now, they have lost their job during this pandemic, during this Corona time. So I think, yeah, for some people, this pandemic wasn't very good. You know, it wasn't. So now it depends person to person. Like some of them, you know, they enjoyed it because they told that, you know, they got some time to spend with their family members and all. So again, it depends person to person. You know, there were some
Yeah,
people who didn't have any food to eat and all, and there was some people, you know, who made their business at a very peak level or something like that. So yeah, I agree
yeah.
with you, you know. And we should always be happy in whatever, in every situation. It doesn't matter if it is a sad or happy, you know. Yeah.
It influence everyone, not a single person, a particular.
Mhm.
Everyone suffered by some problem. So
Yes.
yeah, now we just adjust whatever the situation, and we should be positive in all situation.
Yes, right. And yeah, any more questions on this topic?
No. Pandemic, that was sticking in my mind. I was thinking, where should I discuss about this? Then I thought, okay, today I'm gonna
Yeah,
discuss. And
today is a nice opportunity to talk about this topic right now. Yeah, actually now though I think we are very used to it, you know, but when I talk about last year, it was very new to us, lockdown, quarantine and all, you know,
yeah,
very dangerous
yeah.
right
Yes,
now. So
yeah,
first time I heard, you know, Mr. PM Narendra Modi, you know, he said that in Mumbai there will be a lockdown for 3 months or 4 months. I was very much, you know, shocked that what is this lockdown and all, and why do you have to do that? So it was very shocking for me, you know. So yeah, I think same goes for you.
same here.
Same,
Because
no?
I, in my whole life, I never heard this lockdown. I never faced. So if we are gonna face, then yeah, I was just about to see that how is it this lockdown, and how we can
Yes.
handle. Yeah,
Yeah.
after seeing, later on we just habitual, I think, accustomed to this.
Yes. And I think there were many diseases, like there was this swine flu, but there wasn't anything like that, you know, that there will be lockdown for 5 months or something like that. So maybe this corona is it is different. It is very different than other diseases or other pandemics, you know. Yeah.
Yes, nice.
Yeah. Today your face, you know, it's shining more. I don't know the reason. Maybe you
So,
are at your home.
yeah,
That's the
might be, might
yeah.
be.
That maybe that is the reason, you know. Yeah. So, anyways, like I think it has been 8 or 9 minutes. So
Okay. Yeah, we can continue our topic.
you tell me whatever you want.
Yes, just go ahead with topic.
Will be the topic. Okay, before that, I would like to tell you one thing that yeah, you know, yesterday also I watched few of your sessions on your this channel. So whenever you upload my video using that tag Atul, so I don't know how YouTube's algorithm works. I don't know. I just got recommended your videos and all. So I just watched my few videos and they were very amazing. You know. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Anyways, let's come back to our topic. So, as the topic for the day is smartphones. So, what is the first thing which comes in your mind when you hear about this word smartphone?
So, first thing, that
Yeah.
is, now we are completely, you know, addicted to
Mhm.
smart. You can say that not
Yes.
one, everyone is addicted because this pandemic, which we covered. So this pandemic, already learned us how to be more close to our smartphone. Earlier, everyone had a smartphone, but sometimes off and on, I think they were using and on. But after this
Yes.
pandemic, everyone, and I also watched that what would happen in my own department, in teachers department. So earlier there was no any any digital work, but now it is day by day. The
Hmm.
workload is just increases,
Yeah.
that have to do this digital work. This everything is online completely. This is the impact of the smartphone
Yeah.
that
True. Very true.
going on nowadays.
Yeah. And which was your first smartphone?
My first smartphone was Samsung. That was Samsung Galaxy, and I don't know.
Yeah. I got it. My first smartphone was this Microsoft Lumia 535. You know, I got my first phone when I was in sixth or seventh grade, sixth or seventh class. Yeah, it was. I think it was too early, right? And when did you get your first smartphone?
I got, I got my smartphone when I passed out my graduation.
Okay, that's it. Yeah. I think it's fine, because that time I think there wasn't anything like smartphone and all. Maybe 15 or 20 years back.
Even we were not allowed to use more, keypad and all phone. We were not allowed to use. But yeah, after graduation, just I got the first smartphone, and that was a smartphone that that was gifted by my brother-in-law.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay, so if I give you one, question, that what would you like to choose first? Like suppose after you wake up in the morning, so what is the first thing which you go, or what is the first thing which you pick up? Your smartphone or your toothbrush? For me, it's my
Smartphone.
smartphone. Say, yeah, same here.
Yes, because uh,
Yeah. So first, I will see the what are the notifications which are there, and keep on scrolling, and that is how
yeah,
it
no,
goes.
no, I didn't used to do this, but yeah, I used to just watch something, not notification and not SMS at the early morning.
Yeah. Then what do you do? Well,
Just I check, time. What is the time? Because I already, I think I'm late or not. So that's why first of
so
all,
you're always in hurry and all, so you just have to check the time. What's the time? And
trust
yeah.
myself that what is the time. Just, that is the first thing that I have to notice, and then I'll plug my cell phone, charging, and after that I'll do
Yes.
my
And right now, which phone, like which smartphone you're owning right now?
Oppo A5 that I am owning.
Oh, okay, that's great. I'm planning to buy OnePlus, maybe in 2 or 3 weeks. Let's see, you know.
Okay.
All right. So moving on to our next question. How many smartphones do you own?
Oh, currently
Yeah, right now, yes.
just only one. I just mentioned that only one smartphone that is
Only
right now.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's fine. What is the idea or what is the purpose of using 10 phones or 10 smartphones at the same time, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes. What
very
about
nice.
you?
I'm using 3 smartphones.
Okay. So then tell me that means
Okay, I tell you the purpose. One is for my college work, the second one is for my friends, the third one is for this online things and all, for social medias and all. So I use 3 smartphones for 3 different works. Yeah. Yes. All right. So now my last question to you is, are you going to buy a new smartphone in few months or in years? Why or why not?
okay.
Yeah.
It didn't occur in my mind, but if you are asking, so yeah, I'm not gonna buy. It depend on situation. In future,
Hmm.
I will I will just realize that I have to buy, then I will buy. Otherwise, there is still I have no need. I'm
So I
just
think you're fine with this Oppo, right?
yeah, I'm
Eh,
still
you're not facing any issues.
no, not any issue with this. This phone is one phone that is that's
Yeah.
which is stay
I'm
with me long time.
pardon.
otherwise Otherwise every phone I just use I think few months, and after that they will broke. But this
Yeah,
phone is
I'm just plugging in my plugging my charger because just a second. Yeah, now it's fine.
okay.
Yeah, now tell me what were you saying?
Yeah. I was saying like no, I'm not gonna buy any cell phone, and just
Yeah.
it is my bucket list. But okay, it depend up to the situation. If the situation will be like I have to buy, then I will buy. Otherwise, there is no need still. I'm just looking for this.
That's good. That's good. And okay, and one more question to you. Like this is not on the PDF, but I'm asking you, what do you prefer, the smartphone or the laptop?
Okay, a smartphone, laptop is all is also okay. Okay, but a smartphone we can carry, we can carry everywhere, and
Yeah.
if we have any work, then we just some every minute work we can just clarify with this smartphone. And the if I have to carry laptop, then also it is a little bit heavy for
It's a
me.
burden, right? Yeah. First you have to switch it on and then you have to enter your password and then this, that, and it takes a lot of space also, right? You have to carry one bag for that.
It also takes a space.
Yes,
We have,
I think, yeah, that's the issue. No? Yeah.
yeah,
All right. So, yeah, tell me.
yeah. I was saying, uh, which which will be your preference?
Uh, I think for me, it will be a smartphone only, right? Because I think smartphones are very easy to access. You can access them very easily. There is no long process required for that. You just have to take your phone and just start using it. But in
Right.
laptop, the things are different. So I would love to go with the smartphone only. Yeah.
So
Yes.
right now, yeah, I'm gonna ask one question.
Tell me.
What is,
You're asking something.
what is the situation of COVID-19 in Mumbai?
What is the situation of?
COVID-19, the corona pandemic.
Yeah, now the cases are decreasing, but earlier it was at its peak. But now I think it's fine. No.
It's fine.
Maybe I think, yeah, maybe we are waiting for the third wave, but right now there isn't anything like that. Now that corona thing is under control. Yeah. What
Because
about there? Tell me.
yeah, my side it's also the condition is more better than earlier. But
Yes.
why this is a vulnerable place for COVID and all. So that's why I asked, means what is the current situation? Yeah.
Yeah. Mumbai, Mumbai is Mumbai, it's like it's improving day by day, and I think we are fully prepared for the third wave. Let's see if it comes or not. What do you say? Like, what do you think about the third wave? It should come or not?
I think it should, because somewhere I also have heard some news about COVID that the cases started again. So I think it should come, but if it will not, it will not be coming, then it's more fine. But
Yeah.
what what we can do? That's
Yeah. I think it's the fault of people, they are not taking the right precautions which they should take. They are nowadays, I think they are very careless. So I think it is one of the reasons, you know.
yeah. Also, how much government just give you many protocols and guidelines. If you will follow, then I think it is better for everyone. Sometimes the people they are careless, so that's why. And we know the means the population of the India is huge, so we should
Yeah.
just follow the protocol, and then we will be safe.
Yes, but in India, people have this mentality. Whatever the government is saying, they will not follow that. They will have their own rules and regulations. You know.
That's why India is developing, not developed.
Yeah, that is the main reason. That is the main reason. I totally agree with you on this note. Yeah. So with this, I'm done with my questions. All right now,
Okay,
and
okay,
we
all
are
right.
done with the topic for the day. Anyways, you have any more questions which you would like to ask me?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Tell
So,
me. Ask me.
okay, one question. That is last question about pandemic. What is the difference between pandemic and epidemic?
Okay, so pandemic is something, a disease that spreads over a country or all over the world. That is the definition of, you can say pandemic. Epidemic is something which is, I don't think so that it will spread all over the world. It is in a very restricted areas, you know. Yeah. So
Yeah.
that is the difference. Yeah.
Okay,
Any more questions?
yeah, I'm right. Means I was right. I was also thinking like this, but I want to clear. So that's why I asked.
No, it's fine. It's fine. There is no issue with it. I'm here to solve your all doubts, whatever, how much I know. So that's the thing. Yeah. So you have no more questions?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, just
Just
I'm
the
finished.
feedback.
Yeah.
You're blessed.
Since
You're
I have finished.
blessed.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. I didn't heard you. You were saying something.
No. Yeah. Just go ahead with feedback.
Yeah. So in today's session, I've only noticed one mistake. That was this. You said I liking it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Might be.
You were saying like I liking it, but you should say I'm liking it. I am. Am.
Alright.
Wala am. Yeah. You know what? Am or am is the only helping word which you use it with only I. We never say we am going. You always say I am going. So am is always used with I only. So yeah, that's the thing. You should use am with I. I'm liking it, not I liking it. Yeah, so that is the feedback for the day. These are very small, these are very minor mistakes. So yeah, it's fine. There's no issue with it. Yeah.
Okay.
So
That
did you
was
like the session? Yeah.
yeah. That was fantastic session. I think we have covered many topics in a session.
Yeah. Yes. And it was like within 21 minutes, we have
Yeah.
covered 2, 3 topics.
Right.
The
Means
one was about, yeah, tell me.
this is the most brief time for every topic we have given.
Yes. 5 minutes for each topic, that's really great. Yeah.
But the topic in everything I think is cleared. Whatever we just talked, everything is
Yeah.
cleared.
Yeah, it
I
was.
also have cleared my some doubt about pandemic, epidemic, and the pandemic. What is the pros and cons? These are.
Yes, pros and cons, everything. And even we have also shared our perspectives. What do we think about this right now?
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
then.
yeah, you have no more questions right now. You have no more questions, right?
No.
Okay. So Shika, it was very nice talking to you, and I hope that we'll meet in the next session. So till then, now goodbye and take care. Signing off. Bye.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, same to you.